Hi, welcome to the Codecast podcast by the Austin Code Department, where we talk about everything code related. In this episode, we sat down with an inspector to talk about a case that had a major impact on them. So let's go ahead and get started.
So I'm Lauren Taggart. I'm one of the code enforcement officers for the North District. I've been with the code department for almost 15 years now. And I received a case at a location in North Austin. It was basically an apartment complex that was under construction for quite some time. The contractor got sideways in the deal from the information I received, and our department basically stepped in due to some safety issues that were occurring on the property. At the time that I arrived for the first time at the location, I was able to view that there was about 27 buildings. Half of them were, I wouldn't even say half finished. They were basically frameworked. There was a whole slew of other buildings in the rear of the property that the construction was a little bit more finished. Windows were in there, but throughout the whole time that I had the case, we had windows that were falling out. We had the siding that was falling off. We had some further structural issues that were occurring throughout the many structures. So it was pretty important to get the point across to the new owner that something needed to be done, and it needed to be done now. The property was abandoned for numerous amount of years. It was not finished construction. So we made sure that the immediate structure violations were being addressed by getting the property fenced off, eliminating any unauthorized entry, and sent required notice to the owners on file for Charles County. Through that whole process, we had ownership change, which is where I stepped in and was able to get the attention of the new owners, and we were able to, through conversations, text messages, emails, putting them in contact with ACD, DSD, we were able to finally get them on the right path to where they were able to obtain the required permits and start the construction for demo. And our department, through perseverance, attention to detail, and working with the general public and the company, within a year we were able to get 27 buildings that had been completely abandoned, completely demoed, and able to basically flatten everything out on that property to where new construction could be done. And we were able to bring up the value of the neighborhood and make a lot of people really happy. And so I'm proud that when I drive by that location, our department can say that's why it's in the current condition that it is today, is because of the hard work of the Austin Code Department and the camaraderie and the teamwork that this department has. Hi, my name is Lauren Taggart, and this is my story as a code inspector.